Is there anything worse than waiting and waiting when a guy doesn't text you back? You hit send. Then you keep checking your phone. And with each passing minute you feel more and more powerless. Maybe you even feel your phone vibrate in your pocket. And pull it out just to see you were imagining things. All the while knowing it would take him literally 20 seconds to write you back. It's crazy making. But before you send him an angry text or give him some sort of ultimatum. But there's a text you can send a man which virtually guarantees he'll respond right away. It works by using something called attention hooks, which give him a feeling of overwhelming psychological tension that only getting in touch with you will release. It's like an itch in his brain that only hearing back from you will scratch. So he's the one going crazy waiting to hear back from you, and not the other way around. The cool thing about attention hooks is, they're based on the same techniques screenwriters use to grab your attention and keep you watching their movies. Or to make you click watch another episode again and again when you know you should just go to bed. Amy North is a famous relationship coach, prominent YouTuber and best-selling author. Amy's program, Text Chemistry, has sold over 100,000 copies and is helping women turn their love lives around through texting. Click the link in the description to learn this weirdly powerful text message which makes him think about you non-stop. Sign up for more info today and you'll also receive a free ebook about texting success.